Hello guys, welcome to Brilliant SDN PhD Technician Training Series. Today we're going to learn about how to perform an engine oil replacement, which is a crucial maintenance task, but it extends our engine life span. And before we begin, we need tools such as PPE, gloves, glasses, and safety shoe, and the necessary tools that we need in the maintenance process. So for the tools that we need for the maintenance are a socket set or a wrench, a new filter, rag, best type oil and correct amount of oil, and the necessary tools that we need. You guys can see in the pictures that we prepared for you guys.
So firstly, we need to open our car bonnet, and don't forget to use a car bonnet stand where we can find on the car engine bay. So after that, we need to take a new clothes or maybe like used clothes for automotive vehicles. Maybe we can stand by at our side, and we need to take out the engine oil dipstick, and we need to check it, is it in the correct amount level or less. So first you need to use the clothes and wipe it, then secondly you need to insert it again, wait 10 seconds and then take out. After take out, you can see the correct engine amount oil. So after that, put back the engine dipstick to the original place, and then now take a car lifting jack and place it under the car under bay area so that we can jack it safely. So be cautious with the lifting jack. We need to lock it after we jack the car. So now take the oil container and place it right under the oil pan, and now use 14mm size of socket. Open the bowl for engine oil pan. So be careful when drain the oil.
Let's head to the third step, remove and replace the new filter. So for the remove process, we need to use a oil wrench to remove the old one, and then we need to apply a bit oil to the rubber gasket into the new filter, and then we need to screw it tightly.
So for step 5, after starting the engine, wait for a few seconds and turn it off and wait for a minute, and then check the oil level with the dipstick and top up if necessary. And for the oil level, you guys can refer in the picture that we provided in the video. So for the final, dispose your old oil and the old filter at recycle center, and always record the date of your oil change and the mileage in your maintenance logbook. The regular oil changes 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers, which is help and prevent engine damage and best engine performance or optimal performance. Thank you guys for watching, and always keep your engines healthy. Acting very good. kira sakit ke?
Okay, macam tu.
Boleh start dah ni kata.